DFF fields configured in Oracle Fusion can be set up in the simplified loader template. To set up DFF fields, navigate to the Admin panel in the Excel template. In the Admin panel, refer to the Setup DFF section. Now click the Setup DFF in Template button. The following pop-up is displayed. This pop-up is to set up display default values based on the constant default values configured in Oracle Fusion. By default, the selection is No. After completion, the user receives a confirmation message. The datasheet and About sheet now have the DFF fields added. I will scroll to the end of the datasheet to view DFF fields. Like other fields, the DFF fields can be moved, hidden, or deleted from the datasheet. I will navigate to the About sheet to view DFF fields configured in the About sheet. As you can see, the DFF fields are also set up in the About sheet. When the Excel template file is saved with the DFF fields, the DFF field details are saved within the Excel template. The administrator needs to set up the DFF fields only once. The file with DFF fields can be saved and shared with other users.